Hi friends, in this video, we will learn about the various built-in functions available in Python. Python has a rich and extensive standard library, which contains 69 built-in functions that can be directly used in a program. We have already seen some of these functions in action in the previous videos. Some of the most widely used built-in functions can be categorized as mathematical functions, type functions, input and output functions, and base and Unicode functions. Mathematical functions are useful for performing mathematical computations and include abs, round, sum, min, max, divmod, and power functions. Type initialization, checking, and casting can be performed using type, bool, int, float, complex, str, list, tuple, set, and dict functions. Input, print, and open functions are used for performing standard input output and file input output. Bin, oct, hex, odd, and chr are some base Unicode functions that can be used for base or code point conversion. We have already covered type functions in detail in the variables, objects, and data types chapter videos, whereas the input and print functions are covered in detail in the input and output chapter videos. The open function is also covered in detail in the file handling chapter. So, do check out these chapter videos to learn more about these functions in detail. In the next set of videos, we will focus on the remaining functions. So, stay tuned.